Queensland has recorded 6 more COVID-related deaths and 4,114 new cases, but the state is on track to lift elective surgery restrictions soon, Health Minister Yvette says. 2 of the people that died were in their 60s, 1 was in their 70s and 3 were in their 80s. Chief Health Officer John Gerrard said one of the reported deaths was an aged care resident, which has brought the number of deaths in aged care to 241. There are 401 people being treated for COVID-19 in hospital, 34 of which are in intensive care. Of the new cases detected in the latest reporting period, 1,360 were children aged between 5 and 17. Queensland's vaccination rate sits at 92.24% first dose and 90.61% double dose. Ms. Dieth said 42.08% of children aged 5 to 11 years old have been vaccinated, a rate that needed to increase. I remind parents our vaccination clinics are still open, you can walk in, you don't need a booking, Ms. Dieth said. You can also walk into community pharmacies, or you can make a booking with GPS. In the 12 to 15-year-old age group, 76.88% have received their first dose, while 70.38% have received 2 doses. Authorities discuss future of mask rules. Ms. Dieth said an announcement on the future of mask wearing is expected within days, as well as an update on elective surgery restrictions. The Premier made it clear that we would let everyone know by the end of the month, and we also said the same about our elective surgery, she said. Things are looking on track that we can lift our restrictions on elective surgery on our hospitals. Ms. Dieth said southern states lifting restrictions was a move that brought them in line with Queensland. Dancing and being able to go to nightclubs and singing, we've had those restrictions lifted for some time. I know there's discussions and there's announcements around potential lifting of masks around certain settings interstate, but I believe they are still to be finalised. There are 1,361 health and ambulance staff in quarantine and isolation, which is down from 1,817 a week ago. M to mute, left and right arrows to seek, up and down arrows for volume. Watch 16 minutes 12 seconds 16M. How and when will the COVID pandemic end?